Your Honor, audio video recording for public record.
Let's ask him when he can start it. Okay, that's fine. Give me a second. That gentleman that we just sat down. Where is that gentleman?
That's Señora Fernandez, Xiomara Fernandez. Xiomara Fernandez. Xiomara Fernandez.
Okay, you're gonna start paying November 15th. Okay. All right. Thank you. Don't be late. Okay. Okay. Hi. How can I help you?
Yes, good morning. I have a
Okay, listen, Mr. Santana, I don't want you to videotape, so I'm gonna ask you to shut off that recorder, please.
Your Honor, in the past, you've given me permission to.
Okay, where is that video?
It's right here on the phone. It's right here on the top of the desk.
Is that being recorded or
It's
video?
audio and video recording, yes. I'm well in my rights to do
That
so.
computer screen.
Ma'am, I'm not pointing it at you. Now I'm pointing it at
Okay.
you.
Your Honor,
I'm not doing that.
I object to that. That's not an official recording or a court recorder. You could have ordered one.
Your Honor, this is public record. Your
One
Honor.
at a time, please.
All right.
Did I ask you to call and get a court reporter?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Not at any time. You've given me permission in the past to do so
It's okay.
in this
That's
courtroom.
okay. Please, how can I help you, Mr.
Yes,
Strauss?
Your Honor, if the court please, I have a copy, a hard copy of the matters
Okay,
before the
Berta,
court.
if you
May I
could please
approach?
pass that up, that would be great. Okay, what is this that I'm looking at?
You're looking at initially, Your Honor, a stipulation signed by this defendant, and he agreed to pay $800 a month in addition to other costs. He failed to continue to pay that. He was ultimately evicted. The testimony will be that he owes our client $2,400. I must point out to the court, however, the court anticipating that this would happen ended up ordering him to provide me, as the attorney 10 days before this hearing, any receipts he may have for monies that he has paid. At the last hearing, the court may or may not recall, he said he has all kinds of evidence that he has paid all the money. So to that extent, he hasn't produced any document to my office, and that's required by the court order.
Okay.
And therefore, I would object to him presenting any evidence at this time.
Okay, who is he supposed to pay?
It was supposed to give my office, or give my office receipts of his 3 payments. He was supposed to pay the plaintiff $800 a month, and he has not, and he hasn't brought any receipts.
All right, so what's going on, Mr. Santana?
Your Honor, that was like.
Interrupt me, okay?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. You asked me a question. I'm answering your question. This is for 30 days. That was way past due. Like we're already on like the 2.5 month. Just pointing out on the order that when it was written, September 1st.
But then you had plenty of time
And
to
then,
provide the receipts.
so I went to I've never done a cashier's check because the gentleman that does the, what do you call that room over there? The one that you guys go, yeah, one of the clerks told me, look, do a cashier's check, don't do a money order. I've never done one before. I paid with cash for both of them at my bank. And then I thought that they put it on my bank account record that I did one, right? And then come to find out they couldn't find it, but I did request the videos for those days. But I do have written statements from police officers, from police reports. I can give it to Your Honor, showing that I did show an $800 cashier's check that day, that the power was cut off and the gas was cut off, and that they tried to break into the house.